लो उड़ान, छू लो आसमान, नए भारत की है नई पहचान.
Traditions and modernity can walk together, but not if plastic walks ahead. Our villages were once graced with beautiful baskets or things hand-woven from natural grass and bamboo. But now, most of these have been replaced by plastic that may be convenient to use, but is harming our environment. Good morning, everyone.
I Ashvi.
Hi, Ananya. And hi, Gitali from Bharat Bharati Senior Secondary School, Himachal Pradesh, bring here the problem of increasing influence of plastic in remote villages with theme Vocal for Local.
So, let us start with the introduction. Plastic is a versatile and synthetic material derived from the polymers, and its property make it highly suitable in modern life.
Today, plastic is reaching more and more villages because it is cheap and easily available. Villages don't know about its long-term harm.
Every year, the Shara Fair takes place in Kullu, so we decided to conduct a small survey among the shopkeepers to ask them about their sales. The surveys are as follows.
आपने तो सारा सामान प्लास्टिक का ही रखा हुआ है, तो क्यों चूज क्यों किया प्लास्टिक को? अच्छा नहीं होता ना हमारे लिए. जल्दी भी जाकर चलिए. अच्छा, आप ऐसा लगता है. तो फिर क्या चाहते हैं आप कि कैसे ठीक किया जाएगा इसको? तो लोग लेना पसंद नहीं करते हैं ना.
As we can clearly see here, the shopkeepers are saying that the usage of plastic has increased rapidly over the years. Because of this, the shops selling hand-woven items are facing a huge loss. We also noticed that the number of shops selling plastic are much more than that of hand-woven items.
If we talk about the plastic usage all around the world, it has exceeded by 380 million tons annually, and 90% of the plastic is not recycled and ends up on lands or in oceans.
Besides causing pollution, it also releases toxic chemicals which are harmful to us and can cause serious problems like cancer, etc.
Hence, using willow products can be presented as a compelling solution because they are non-toxic, chemical-free, and also provide better air circulation. Let's take a look at some willow products. These are wicker baskets or tokeries that can be used as storage containers. This is changed that can be used to dry different fruits, and this is mandri that can be used as a mat.
These are wicker picnic baskets. These are reliable for carrying foods and drinks. Next is bamboo baskets, which are like hand-woven containers and are made up of bamboo splits.
The images shown are of bamboo piltas. These are used by villagers to carry different types of heavy loads. And these are some collective images of shops that we took from the Shahra.
This is a miniature mandir art which contains many structures made up of wood, and these can be used at home for worshipping. These are bamboo and wicker handicrafts which contains many structures made up of wood, and they can be used for storing different things and also as phone stands.
Approximately 2,000 forest fires has occurred in Himachal Pradesh, and with the shredding of pine needles.
Collecting pine needles for making basket can reduce the amount of dry, flammable substances in forest area. This is making of pine needle basket.
Hence, in the end, we would say that using willow products will not only help our environment, but it will also help to boost rural economies. As an artisan reminds us, a simple weave can hold a community together. So let's weave a future that keeps our community strong and plastic free.
Thank you.